But do not.
What?
Stop. Don't.
This woman's shocking behavior inside the police station leaves officers stunned, but the real twist is how and why she ended up there in the first place.
You want me to raise it up? She feeling like you're a lesbian. Sometimes you know too much. I have nothing on now.
You have something in your bra.
Money, federal notes.
Okay, listen to me. We're not gonna have these problems.
Why is she feeling on my goddamn breast like she a lesbian?
Okay? We gotta get it out.
Get what out?
Whatever's
what you
in
out?
there.
Ain't shit in there.
It's sticking out, dear.
Do you want me to pull the whole second titties out?
No, I prefer
God
not.
damn.
What's in your bra?
Look.
I'm not playing.
Your authority.
Mind if I get it out?
Yes, ma'am. You can get it.
It's a knife.
All knives I found are personal weapons.
They go harder. Oh, yeah.
So
Oh, yeah. Jesus.
You doing?
Yeah.
She's arrested after officers discover a wrench hidden under her bra, but the moment she arrives at the station and asks to use the toilet, and then she does the unthinkable.
What's your
Face the box. Grab a seat there for me.
You got a restroom, a sword, because I got a piss, dog.
You gotta wait.
I got a piss.
It has
Put some
to.
piss on this floor.
Only a female can. Don't.
I am a female, bitch.
Only a female can help you. We can't take
Okay,
you
but
out.
I'm telling you, I got a penis right now.
Okay. Well, as soon as we get your picture,
We've
we're
been
gonna leave.
arguing for how long? About a goddamn hour now?
Maybe you didn't. You
Okay, well, I'm just gonna piss in your goddamn trash can.
Not allowed. Sit down.
I got a piss.
Just wait.
Who ain't allowed?
Just wait.
It's my right.
Don't. No.
It's my goddamn right. I got a piss, bitch.
Just wait.
Bitch.
You can't just wait until we get the
Authority.
film.
Why
Come on, we're gonna get your picture, and then we're gonna leave. Put your toes in the red line.
Why?
The faster you do it, the faster we can leave. No, don't pee in here. Don't do it. But do not pee in here. Stop.
What?
Stop.
Oh
Don't.
my goddamn breath, bitch. I'm
In
working
here. Stop. Do not pee.
I got
Stop
a
it.
piss.
No, stop.
I told you I had
Wait.
a piss.
We'll get your picture.
No.
And then you can pee. Stop.
Who ain't pissing?
Stop. Stop.
Dear,
Don't.
please.
Hold up.
Hey, Dale. Oh my
You
God.
sit on the red line, right? Let me get that red line. Nigga, why you let me get that fucking red line for y'all, right, niggers? Now clean that shit up rightfully, bitches, and put me in protective custody, hoes. Yay.
Should we just leave? I'm not sure.
Should we just leave?
I'm not sure.
Y'all don't want this ugly ass picture. Y'all want this ugly ass picture.
Move over here. All right, we're done. Thanks. We're leaving. Let's go.
Exactly.
Which is where they want us to go out? Probably this one.
Sorry.
Sorry, because they'll kill me tonight. No, it.
Man, why do men have to be this way?
Well, what do you mean by that? Like,
Men are f***ing gross. Men are just always gross.
This girl has just learned a horrifying truth that her father is a child predator, but what concerns investigators most is determining whether she herself has been a victim.
hello, how you doing today, sir? Put your license, registration, and insurance for me? Thanks so much.
It all begins when 58-year-old Mark is pulled over during a traffic stop as part of an investigation. He's arrested, but when officers later search his home, they encounter his daughter, who becomes extremely anxious as the situation unfolds.
Would there be anything on your phone like that would be considered like underage or anything like that?
Probably.
Really?
I mean, you're doing an investigation, so.
Okay. I think everybody makes mistakes, man. And
I made a mistake, and I've been feeling like bad for it, like in my gut. You know,
right?
I feel like
No, I get it.
it's just a video.
Hey, come check her out for me, Doc. She's having breathing problems.
No, I'm okay. I just am anxious.
I know, but
I'm really scared.
he's one of our SWAT medics, so let him check you out and make sure you're okay.
SWAT?
Yes.
What's going on?
Is your dog friendly?
Yeah, he loves people. He's my baby.
Is that
What's
Australian
going
Husky?
on?
What is it?
Talk to you in a second. Let's get you checked out since you're not like breathing too
No,
much.
I just am anxious, guys. I just want to know what's going on.
Everything's okay. We had a search warrant for you.
But why? We haven't done anything.
Okay.
I don't get it.
We'll talk to you in a second.
I'm one of the paramedics, okay? So,
Hi, I'm
what's up,
okay.
your name?
Bill Harden.
It's nice to meet you. My name is Detective Burkhardt, okay?
Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
You're 22? I can imagine you have a million questions because
Yes,
there's a lot going on.
Yes.
Okay. So, unfortunately, we did get a tip from your house.
What the?
Yeah, and we spoke to your
Sorry
father.
for the language.
You're okay, sweetheart. That's okay. I can understand your frustration.
Yeah,
So,
I'm confused.
So, we always want to try to make sure that everybody in the house is safe, and so we talked to everybody in there. We did speak to your dad already. We did have some concerns. Do you have any birthmarks on you at all? Okay, hang on. Because the thing that concerns me is that there is. Let me see.
I'm not sure what.
Do you happen to have one like right over here on either side?
You can look. I'm not sure what you consider a birthmark.
What about the other side? I don't know. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a picture and then I'll kind of explain to you what we're here for, okay? So do you happen to recognize, there's no in this photo that I'm about to show you, okay? Do you recognize this photo or that jewelry or anything about this photo?
Not at all.
Not at all?
Nope.
Okay. You see that there's like a birthmark here and here and
Oh,
here.
yeah.
So you kind of have one here.
Yeah. That's
Right?
definitely not me.
Anytime we have like a what we call a tip like this,
Yeah.
like I said, we just like to talk to everybody in the house and kind of try to figure out like where this all started from, and we confirmed that it came from your house.
Okay.
We did talk to your dad; it did come from him.
Oh.
So do you have any knowledge or anything about that you might?
Not about that. No. I have never.
Okay. And it's gonna sound crazy, but you have never been touched or anything inappropriately or anything like that.
No.
That was our main concern because the
Yeah,
girl in the
I really
photographs,
appreciate that.
yeah, the girl in the photographs that we saw did resemble you, and that was very concerning for us.
Okay.
You know, so we want to make sure that you were safe.
Yeah, that is gross.
Yeah. Our concern was mainly for you and to kind of try to figure everything out. So, like I said, we did talk to your dad, and he did admit that he does have that type of material on his phone. That's a.
Can't you just be a decent man? Why do men have to be this way?
Well, what do you mean by that? Like,
Men are gross. Men are just always gross. You know, as a woman, you can't even walk down the street without getting. You know, even at 16, me walking downtown with my cousin, men randomly yelling, barking, you know. They're just gross.
Yeah. I can't tell you exactly what's going to happen.
Like that. Be a grown-ass man. I am a woman. It would be different if I was your son. I am a woman. I have a woman's body. I only have a dad. I don't have a mom to go to because my dad is a weirdo. You shouldn't be having me in this situation. I only have you. Shut up. If you have that on your phone, it's weird. I shouldn't have to deal with this, Dad. It's only me and you. This is stupid. I want to be able to live with you, but I don't feel comfortable in this house. I don't know what to do. And this is making... No, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter because that is the same.
He is taken into custody. Police find illegal material on his phone, along with photos of random people that may have been taken without their consent. This is Rachel, about to board a flight to Puerto Rico to attend the funeral of a loved one. But what she does next gets her barred from the flight.
I'm not flying today. It's not hard to miss. I paid for the flight. If you keep this up, you're not going to be flying out here tomorrow. I'm sorry. Listen, I paid for this flight.
I know. Your quarrels with Spirit. All right, let's hang tight.
Listen, I had a family member today. I'm just so frustrated. I've been dealing with delays since Friday.
Listen, hey.
I don't know. I give him an attitude and he canceled my flight.
Take a breath. Take a breath. Take a breath.
I just need to get home.
Okay, why are they... What
I don't know. I'm frustrated. I give him an attitude. How do you have this job and you don't have customer service to be able to handle somebody that's frustrated? Like, I don't get it.
Rachel,
I don't get it,
listen to me.
So,
Can't let you go now. Cross your feet for me.
Hey, relax. Relax. It's gonna be worse. Okay?
Don't do that.
Relax.
You live by yourself?
No, she's your family.
She's your family?
No.
Oh, she has family. Alright, guys. Miranda, can you step out? I need to talk to you.
Why?
Because it's about the text messages you've been saying.
From where?
Well, I guess from you. Come here. Who's here with you?
My kids and me?
Anybody else?
What am I doing? I ain't doing nothing though.
You have a warrant.
I'm not doing nothing.
You got a warrant.
I got a warrant of what? Come on, wait.
This woman threatens to kill Donald Trump, but what happens next is something she never imagined.
What did I do?
Miranda, listen to the words we're saying.
What did I do?
Who's here with you to take care of the kids?
What did I do?
You have a
My
warrant.
family is here. Please don't do this. Hey, who's yelling?
Miranda, we're good.
What did I do? Please stop. I didn't do nothing.
Can you listen?
What What did I do?
Can you listen?
What did I do?
You have a warrant for written threats.
Oh, written threats of what? Can I see from who? From who?
I will let you talk to the
From who?
detective.
No, wait. I want to get on
Brian.
the shirt. I need my shoes. Wait, I need my shoes. Can I get a mask? Can I get my mask and stuff, please?
You have a shirt for her?
Just her.
Just her and your kids?
Come
Do
on.
you have any family in town?
Yeah, that's my big kid. Wait, can I get my shoes, please?
Yes.
Can I get my phone and stuff?
Can we call your dad? How far is dad away? Please?
Yeah.
Can you do that now?
Thank you. What did I do? I didn't do nothing in my nail right there.
Thank you.
Nathan, what did I do though? What did I do? What did I do? Since I won't get mad. I won't get mad over there. What did I do? They killed my dog. They killed my dog.
¿Qué color son? Yes.
Can I get in and get it?
They're not there. They're not there. I'm telling you right now.
Nella, you know you're my witness too about sin.
Look. They're not there.
They are there.
I don't want to get involved in this. They're not there.
Son como cafecito.
They're not under the bed. I don't know.
Isn't it those? Those are brown.
Yes, those.
Sir, we don't want her to get in trouble with your rent. She should be back tomorrow or later today.
Okay, then it's not due.
Okay, we don't want her to get evicted.
As a landlord, I have known they are bad, so I have to get out then.
Okay.
Something serious?
No, not at all.
Oh, okay.
We don't want her and her family to be thrown on the streets. Yes, yeah. She's got a little bit of problems, so, okay. Grandpa, do you have an ID card?
I don't have it with me. I'll give you my birthday.
Okay, come back here.
Yeah, what's going on?
She's got a warrant for written threats. She was sending text messages, threatening text messages.
For real?
Allegedly, but yeah. Yes, the kids are good. And I spoke with the landlord, so she's not going to be removed.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
You got it. Yeah, do me a favor. He doesn't have it.
I don't have it with me. What is that all about? She threatened somebody on the phone?
Allegedly, not on the phone. She made a threatening text message to do harm to somebody. So, everybody.
The woman is detained and charged for issuing written threats of violence. Authorities emphasize that such statements are considered serious public safety risks, even when claimed to be jokes posted online.
Not our baby. I'm not even on the birth certificate. Listen, she's here.
This man denies being the baby's biological father, but how did things come to this point?
Did you see someone with the baby?
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah.
Two.
Yeah.
A mom and a dad?
Mm-hmm.
Were they arguing?
No. They were just putting the baby in. And I went around and I came back and I was leaving and I saw the baby. The baby was crying. I had my windows on.
And then you no longer saw the parents?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's kind of like she saw them putting the baby in the stroller and she like kind of looped the parking lot and then all of a sudden they were just gone. She doesn't.
The woman finds a baby abandoned in a parking lot and alerts the police. But when officers track down the baby's mother, they're met with a shocking revelation.
What's going on?
Girl had to drive her around all day to get help because she didn't have a ride or nothing. All of a sudden,
what's going on? Where's the baby?
You're telling him I left him with the baby.
Who are you? The father?
No.
Is he the father?
The father is.
Are you the mother?
She's here because.
Ma'am, look at me. Are you the mother of the baby?
Yeah, and he's the father.
Where is the baby?
He left it at the hospital. I gave him the baby.
No, she's lying.
Now I'm lying.
Let me tell you exactly what happened.
You don't know where your baby is right now?
I'm asking him where my baby is.
Was she there? Was she there with you?
You know what? Yeah, I'm the one that took her to the hospital.
Okay.
But what she did was, she was like, come inside with me, I'm going inside. And as we're going inside, she's talking crazy to me. So I said, well, I'm done, girl, I'm going home. I start going home. She runs back to the truck with the baby and parks it in front of the other car. And leaves.
How did she leave?
You see how she's saying, I'm delusional? There's cameras.
How did she leave?
She walked off.
Let's run the
How did you get over here, ma'am? Did you walk? So you left your baby in the parking lot.
I left him with the baby. The baby was in front of
There's cameras. Check the cameras. It's not our baby. I'm not even on the birth certificate. Listen, she's here because she's here because she thinks that this guy is the baby father. That's why she's here. She's here.
Okay. Come on, let's go.
It's your last name. Go get the baby.
So you put my last name on the birth certificate?
Did the baby come out of your vagina?
No.
No?
It didn't come out my vagina.
Did you have a C-section? Did you carry this child?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And now it is in a parking lot unattended.
Go get
correct?
The baby. Go get the baby.
Did the baby come out?
Okay.
Did you?
I'm gonna 15. Stand up.
What did you arrest me for?
For child neglect. Stop.
Why are you here, though? You can tell the truth. This is crazy what you did. This is crazy. She was telling me it's not her child.